Hello, I'm Jerry Ford, the beer review guy. Got a couple of light lager beers here. Got the Busch Light and the Natural Light. Gonna do a little versus here. This review or little tasting battle was inspired by Jack London. He just commented on, I think it was my Busch Light review. He was telling me that he drinks Busch Light. That's his go-to light beer, but is wondering, no, maybe it was a Natural Light. I think it was a Natural Light review I did that he commented on, but wondering how this would be, you know, in comparison to this one. In other words, I think, do I think that he would like this one as much or just as much or whatever, or more than Busch Light? And I was like, I guess I could, show him. I probably have a versus a Busch Light against Natural Light. I looked it up. I didn't do one yet. So I thought, this should be easy enough to accomplish. I'll just get a couple of these and let's see what they're like compared to each other. Here, on a lot of these beer, I call them battles, they haven't been too far off. They're really close. So I got my lettered one. I'm going to put the Busch Light in that one, and then the Natural Light, we'll put it in this regular one here. And let's just check them out. It's Friday. If I'm going to do one of these, this is the night to do it. Let's see, one of these, this one here is 4.1, and this one is 4.2. So the alcohol is really close. The ABV. They're nice and cold. Pour them together here where we can kind of see how the head comparison is. Both heads are real close in the thickness, about close to a finger. They're both off-white. The beer themselves, the Natural Light looks like it might be just a little bit, just a slight bit more dark gold, but not really that much. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. They are really close. Actually, you know what? Now that I look at it like this, I think they're identical. Okay. Let's see. Oh man, the Busch Light has a nice aroma. Just like a sweet, yeasty, bready aroma. Smells really good. The Natural Light smells similar to the Busch Light, only the Natural Light the Natural Light is not as pronounced in the aroma. It smells like the Busch Light light, but it's not as strong aroma, not as strong as aroma as the Busch Light. That makes sense? Okay, let's go with this Busch Light. Okay, so light to medium carbonation, light body. You get just about what you get on the aroma. It's a stronger aroma than it is taste. Tastes good. Like I said, light to medium sweet. You get like a light to medium bready, sweet bready, yeasty kind of taste. All right, let's check out the natural. A little lighter carbonation. You get a sweet, bready taste on that, light body. Man, they are real close in taste. Real close. Almost like the natural light might have a little bit more heightened flavor than what the Busch Light does. Gosh, you know, in a blind taste test, I don't think I could really tell these two apart. They are real similar. They're really similar. Real similar. They taste alike. Excuse me. I wish there was a little difference, but they're real close to identical. So much, like I said, if I was doing a blind taste test, I wouldn't be able to pick one out of the other. I mean, it's weird, isn't it? I mean, they're using the same recipe. It's like it's the same recipe, only they're just putting a different name on it. They're both Anheuser-Busch. You know, I wouldn't want my beer to taste exactly like someone else's. I mean, even you know, even if it's made by the same brewery, I'd want it a little bit different. You know, just a little, you know, a little difference. But these are just identical. So Jack, there you. If you're watching this, if you like Busch Light, you're definitely gonna like Natural Light because they taste like the same. They're about the same sweetness, same, you know, maltiness. It's very light. Yeah, I really can't. I can't tell anything that much different to be able to say which one tastes better than the other. I can't really say I have a preference. If someone says, "Hey Jerry, you want a Busch Light or Natural Light?" Either one to be fine. They both taste the same. You know, my my choice or my decision or whatever, my opinion is just mine. You guys may have a different opinion, and it should be expected. So there you go. I'm just kind of rambling, you know. I'm a rambling man. But now this video's done, and now we know. You guys may have already known. I didn't, because I've never tried these side by side. But now I have. I hate it when they taste alike. It makes the video, you know, to me boring. It's like I want a, you know, a slight different taste where I can say this one tastes more sweet than this one. This one's, you know, has a little bit of alcohol showing through, or this one's more bitter. I got nothing. They're the same. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. I thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Jack, London, if you're watching this review is inspired by you because you was wanting to know. So there you go. Y'all have a good weekend, good evening, good Friday evening, and we will see you on the next one.